Hi everyone, welcome to iOS update. Many iPhone users are reporting that their iPhone stuck on white screen. Here I am going to show you how to fix this issue. Let's get started. Solution 1. Force restart your iPhone. For iPhone 8, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 series and iPhone SE 2nd and 3rd generation, quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until you will see the Apple logo. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press and hold the side button and volume down button at the same time until you see the Apple logo. Solution 2. Update your iPhone in recovery mode. First, connect your iPhone to computer or Mac, then open iTunes or Finder according to your Mac OS version. Next, force restart your iPhone to put into recovery mode. You have to keep holding the side button or power button until you see the recovery mode screen. Locate your device on your Mac or computer. You will get two options, data restore and update. Select update. Now it reinstall and iOS without erasing your data. Once done, set up your device. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe and share this video. Take care.